Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Roblox logo, so let's get started. To create this logo, I'm just going to use a red Sharpie today since the logo itself is solid red. And what you want to do is start with the first O, which is the tilted square in the word Roblox. So I'm going to start right here, and keep in mind that this is done freehand, so that's why I'm kind of drawing kind of small. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to create this tilt. So I'm going to come right here and just start a slight angle line. And whatever line I create right here, this is going to determine how big my square becomes, because every other line right here is going to be matching this to create a square, the same length I mean. So with that one line right there, I'm going to go ahead and imagine my square at a tilt. So let's come right here, and I'm going to come across. And like I said, remember this is freehand, so it's not going to be exactly perfect. But if you like it to be more perfect, definitely have a ruler with you. So I've kind of created this 90-degree angle right here, and that's about, I'm going to look at my camera, about the same amount, maybe a little bit lower, maybe a little bit longer. And then from there, I'm going to draw another angle. So just make sure this angle is going to match this as you come down. So I'm just trying my best right here to create the same angle. It's going to angle right there. So then now I can go ahead and connect it. Okay, so there I have this square, and then inside I'm going to draw another square. So right in the center, I'm just going to say about right here, and create this little square right in the middle. Okay, so now from there we're going to start to, I'm going to come to this side and start the BLOX. So if you have a ruler, definitely just draw a straight line across so you know how to, so that your letters don't go too wobbly. But I'm just going to freehand this. So my B is going to be about right here. So it's going to be really close to the O. The square, so I'm just going to say about right here and give myself a point. So I know it's not above this point, it's just kind of about right here, and I'm just going to bring a straight line down. And this line is not going to go past this point either, it's going to be about right here as well. So about right there. Now I'm going to start to draw my B. So the letters are about this, almost the same width as this square. So just kind of keep that in mind as you go. So I'm going to go straight across. I'm just going to look at my camera so I can make sure that I'm not too wobbly. And about right there, I'm going to go in with my two curves for my B and connect. Okay, so I have my B in, and then let's come inside. So this side is always going to be a little bit thicker, so let's say about that much. And draw my curve. Bring this down, so about right there. And another curve. There, okay. So then now let's draw our L. So once again, continuing straight across, say about right here. Come straight down again. And I'm going to go across. So once again, almost the same width. And this side's going to be pretty thick, just like the B right here. And come straight down. And I'm going to bring this across. So about right there. I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So an L. Now another square. So once again, same thing. I'm just going to go right across, straight line down, and I'm creating straight across. So about that much, and then come straight down and connect. So like I said, if you want to use a straight edge, just make a line right across if you're using a pencil. So then right in here, once again, same thing. We're going to draw a square right inside the center. And now the X. So right next to this square, I'm going to give myself 2 points straight down, about right there. And using 2 points, I'm going to draw an angle towards the center and come out. So now I'm going to continue this line across, about that much. Same thing at the bottom. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and come in, imagining this going through, so about right there. So just imagine this angle. Same thing here, so about right here. Coming through and straight across. Same thing, and come towards the center and then out. So this is coming through and there. Okay, so then now the R, which I feel is the hardest one because it's kind of off on its own right here. So what you want to do is just continue, just imagine this coming through. So it's just all the way through and just about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point, and it's going to be really close to this. So let's say about, I'm just using this point. I'm going to come about right here because I know this is a curve, and then I have the tail right here, and it's going to come about right here. So right there, and then now that I have this important curve in, now it's a little bit easier. I can go ahead and just make sure it's straight across, and then I can come down. So about right there, come down, straight down, and then once again just drawing about the same width, and let's go up and curve and connect. So once again inside, there. So I'm just going to fix my R. So now it's easy for you to just go in and shade it in, and wherever you feel like maybe it's a little bit not as straight or wobbly, you can come in and fix that, since everything is just red. So I'm just going to go in and shade in everything so you can see a little bit better. So they're all done. I hope I really inspired you to give this a try and I made it easier for you to draw this logo. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.